this dusty road alone. Sunburn slow, but my heart still strong. Life tests me with fire and rain, still Jah guide me through the pain. Empty pocket, but my spirit rich. Learn my lesson from every switch. Every fall make my vision clear. I keep moving, no place for fear. On the road of my soul, I keep on riding through the dark. Jah light still shining, even when the night feels cold. I hold the faith, never sell my soul. Some man smile, but their heart's so fake. Talk sweet words just for ego's sake. I stay humble, roots steady. Truth and love are what I keep. From the ghetto breeze to the mountain high, hear Jah voice in the wind pass by. No rush life, take it slow. Every step teach me how to grow. On the road of my soul, I keep on riding through the storm. Jah love still guiding. When the world try break my goal, I stand firm, strong in my soul. No chains can hold this mind so free. Roots and culture inside of me. From sunrise till the night fall, Jah love stand tall, never fall. On the road of my soul, I keep on riding. Peace and truth is what I'm finding, till my story turn to gold. Blessed journey, road of my soul. Morning sunrise over Zion Hill, I feel Jah whisper telling me be still. Life been hard, but I still stand strong. Through broken roads I walk along. Mama cry when the night feels cold, but hope still burn in the story she told. From the ghetto streets to the open sea, I carry love as my destiny. Roots in my heart, fire in my soul. Jah guide my steps, He make me whole. No chains on love, no fear inside. Rastafari living, I pride. Roots in my heart, truth in my song. Even when the road feels long, I sing my pain, I sing my joy. Jah love shine, nothing can destroy. Babylon talk, but I don't listen. Too much lies, too much division. I choose peace, I choose the light. Unity make the future bright. Sister smile through the pouring rain. Brother hustle just to ease the pain. One love rhythm beat in time, healing hearts through every rhyme. Roots in my heart, fire in my soul. Jah guide my steps, He make me whole. No chains on love, no fear inside. Rastafari living, I pride. shine, nothing can destroy. So lift your hands, feel the vibration. Roots reggae cure the nation. From Kingston town to worldwide sea, Jah love live eternally. Walking down this dusty road alone, sun burns slow but my heart's still strong. Life tests me with fire and rain, still Jah guide me through the pain. Empty pocket but my spirit rich. Learn my lesson from every switch. Every fall make my vision clear. I keep moving, no place for fear. On the road of my soul, I keep on riding. Through the dark, Jah light still shining. Even when the night feels cold, I hold the faith, never sell my soul. Some man smile but their hearts so fake. Talk sweet words just for ego's sake. I stay humble, roots stay deep. Truth and love are what I keep. From the ghetto breeze to the mountain high, oh, hear Jah voice in the wind pass by. Oh, no rush life, take it slow. Every step teach me how to grow. On the road of my soul, I keep on riding. Through the storm, Jah love still guiding. When the world try break my goal, I stand firm, strong in my soul. No chains can hold this mind so free. Roots and culture inside of me. From sunrise till the nightfall, Jah love stand tall, never fall. On the road of my soul, I keep on riding. Peace and truth is what I'm finding, till my story turn to gold. Blessed journey, road of my soul. Oh, morning sunrise over broken street. Heavy on my mind, dust on my feet. Life keep testing day by day, but Jah gives strength, so I find my way. Still we rise, no matter the pain, through the fire, through the rain. Hold the faith, keep your eyes on light. Still we rise, yeah, everything alright. People talk loud, but don't know my soul. Judge from the outside, never know the role. I carry scars that the world can't see, but music and truth keep setting me free. Still we rise, no matter the pain, through the fire, through the rain. Hold the faith, keep your eyes on light. Still we ride, yeah, everything alright. No gold chain can buy peace of mind. Real riches live inside. Stand firm when the road